Solecheck, blocking the inflow of contaminants such as soil, dust, and fine dust into the indoor. Keeps the fresh indoor air by sucking the contaminants coming indoors through shoes. Solecheck with improved suction rate with 61 suction pins. As it is a modular cell, the installation is expandable and can be managed conveniently. Located on the inner plate is easily replaceable by anyone in case of damage, even one suction pin. Just walk a few steps on the Solecheck and it starts with auto sensor detection. The pins stepped on are open. And soil, dust, and fine dust from the shoe sole are vacuumed strongly and instantly. Cyclone extends the life of 3 HEPA filters by filtering out larger dusts of 10 microns or more. First, the dust inflows into the cyclone. The third step's HEPA filters of dust collector completely collect foreign substances. First, second, third HEPA filters inhales up to the smallest 0.3 micron dust. The Solecheck for Air Shower Booth is a system that blocks dust from shoes as well as air shower before entering a clean working environment. It is installed on the floor at the inside of air shower and works together with the air shower. Floating dust is powerfully vacuumed by the Solecheck, and the suction mat is connected to the dust collector with hose. Also, Solecheck can be installed as embedded type to vacuum foreign substances on wheels of trucks and automatic transport vehicles in factories. Solecheck can be useful in crowded places and buildings where hygiene management is critical. Solecheck improves quality of the indoor environment.